My name is Jimmy, and I would like to give you an overview of the core functionality of the Contactless Ordering App. The app is designed for in-store and mobile ordering and payments for businesses that practice social distancing. Customers can place orders and pay with no contact with business employees. They can do it all directly from their phones or online. There are two main methods which customers can use: text messages and QR code. Merchants receive orders directly to their Clover devices, and both the order and receipt is printed in the store printer. Let's start with installing the Contactless Ordering App from the Clover App Marketplace. During installation, we synchronize the data required to receive and manage orders, such as restaurant name and logo, tax levels for items, business hours, employee assigned to order, and inventory items and categories. After synchronization, the merchant is asked for a unique business phrase. For our demo restaurant, I picked the phrase, "My Burger." Here you see the web admin console. Main dashboard shows basic summaries such as the most recent sales, number of orders placed with the app, and recent payments. Menu on the left contains links to items and categories, and configuration of customer-facing app. Let's start with items and categories. Both the items and categories are synced directly from Clover. However, here merchants can add images to both. Let's add an image to a category first. And then add an image to an item. Next, I will show you how to customize the customer-facing app, which lets the customers browse the restaurant menu, place an order, and pay. Here, a merchant can change their unique ordering phrase. Appearance lets merchants customize branding and look and feel of the customer-facing app. Here, they can, for example, change colors and transparency. This section also includes setting the image background. Finally, merchants can preview how customers will see the ordering app. Merchants can further configure their contactless app in the Setup section. In addition to updating personal and business details, such as the name, time zones, currency, and more, merchants can download their QR code. As you see, the code can be printed directly or sent to either email or via text. Simultaneously, the Contactless Ordering App has also been installed on our Clover workstation. You can see the Contactless Ordering App on the desktop, and Calio Foreground Service in the top service bar. Foreground Service will constantly monitor the incoming orders and will print them on an in-store printer. App's main window allows merchants to change their unique phrase and get familiar with how the app works. Download QR code lets merchants download the QR image to their computers to create printed advertising banners or place the image on their website. Merchants can also send a link to the admin console to access it on the computer or cell phone. Merchants can also view the tutorial video directly on their Clover workstation. One very useful feature allows merchants to send an ordering link directly to a customer's email or phone. Let me demonstrate that by sending it to my phone. As you can see, I just received a text message that I can use to place my order. There are two additional ways of how customers can contactless order from My Burger. First, they can scan QR code directly on their phones. Simply point and click. Secondly, customers can send a text message with the business unique phrase to the designated phone number. Here, I am typing My Burger and will get a message with a link to order and pay. Finally, let's show how customers can browse, order, and pay. Customers can browse the food menu and will start by selecting the food category. Next, they select food items. Here we pick Chef's Burger and selected 4 burgers. The app asks for basic contact information and lets the customer confirm the order. Then the customer pays by entering their credit card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip codes. After successful payment, the customer can review the order. At the same time, both order and receipt have been printed on the merchant's in-store printer, and the customer has received an email with order and payment details. In addition, you can see that our order showed up on the list of orders on the Clover workstation directly in the Orders app. Those are the core features of the Contactless Ordering app. I hope that this gives a good overview of the overall functionality. Thank you for watching.